This driver likes to scare people with a scary mask while he waits at red lights. This person had their curtains closed and noticed that they created something called a camera obscura. The cars outside driving on the road are being projected onto the ceiling. The streamer's cat really loves her. Here's an extreme close-up of what your blood looks like. This person went biking in the mountains of Italy. A giant crack formed last week in Antarctica. The iceberg is larger than New York City and is moving away from the continent. The duck army is rising. This is what it's like to work on top of a wind turbine. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
If you enjoyed these amazing moments, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and leave a comment to help our channel grow even more.